And we've got some breaking news coming in now. Team Modi ministers, one after the other, are ripping into the Indian Overseas Congress chairman Sam Pitroda's racist rant that has been full of stereotypes. It's gone viral all across the internet. Smriti Irani from Amethi says the Gandhi family's mindset has been exposed. Here's what she said. She's the latest minister after Himanta and several others who've come out to attack Sam Pitroda.
कैसा व्यक्ति है पता नहीं है। उन्होंने बोला कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट का लोगों को चाइनीज जैसा देखता है। मेरा चेहरा मैंने आईना में देखा और मैंने ही मेरा पता चला कि मुझको असमीज जैसा लगता है, मुझको इंडियन जैसा लगता है। कोई तरफ से मुझको चाइनीज जैसा नहीं देखता है। पता नहीं वो व्यक्ति का क्या है। एक रेसिस्ट कमेंट है, हमें दुख देने वाला कमेंट है और चाइनीज का साथ हमारा सिमिलरिटी ढूंढ के व्हाट ही ट्राई टू प्रूव।
कांग्रेस पार्टी जो धर्म और जाति के नाम पर इस देश को बांटती रही है, आज पता चला है कि उनका एक और घिनौना सच है कि इस देश में कौन किस रंग का है, कौन किस भूभाग का है। कांग्रेस पार्टी उसके आधार पर भी हमारे देशवासियों को बांटने का और उनका अपमान करने का दुस्साहस करती है। आज जो कांग्रेस नेता के मुख से शब्द प्रस्फुटित हुए वो अपने आप में न सिर्फ निंदनीय है, लेकिन वो कहीं न कहीं राहुल गांधी की, गांधी परिवार की, हमारे राष्ट्र के प्रति सोच को दर्शाता है।
India Today's Mosmi Singh, who tracks the Congress party for us, is with me live. Mosmi, Sam Pitroda seems more keen to indulge his freedom of expression than, protect the interests of his party. It seems nobody from the Congress party is willing to sort of read him the riot act and say, Sir ji, aap thoda aaram kariye elections ke dauran, sit it out. Don't give too many interviews because it seems you have a motor mouth. You always say something that's going to be caught off guard. What's going on? Why does the Congress party suffer him so much, Mosmi?
It's really baffling, Shiv, why is Congress's approach to, issuing a gag order to Sam Pitroda so far away. And the question really is that one after the other, and especially in these elections, Sam Pitroda has caused so much of trouble and angst to the Congress that now even the Congress leaders are wary of, distancing themselves from this remark. Even, Jairam Ramesh did say that it is his personal comments, but people would really not buy that, because if he is making ridiculous racist remarks like the one he made this time round, there should have been some action taken or show cause notice issued. Repetitively, Sam Pitroda has made certain remarks which have, caused a lot of damage to the party, and when you don't try and take action against it, it means that the party is in fact, collaborating with Sam Pitroda to rake up such remarks. And clearly, perhaps the Congress feels that his proximity to the Gandhis, specifically to Rahul Gandhi, might be one of the reasons that Sam Pitroda, there's no step taken against Sam Pitroda's statements. And also, I'd like to add that Sam Pitroda is in his own cocoon in the US. That much that the Congress has done, Shiv, to tell him, please stay away and don't come to India. Last time he caused enough damage in 2019 by camping in India. So I think that much the Congress has been able to argue with or bargain with Sam Pitroda.
They've put out a very harsh statement about him through Jairam Ramesh, but no action has been taken, which makes one really wonder, what the constraints within the Congress party are when the stakes are so high. Mosmi, thank you very much.